How many know that God cares for you? In the scripture, it says in 1 Peter 5 and 7, that casting all your care upon him, for he cares for you. Come on, let me help you to see. Let's sing this song and give praise to God today. For he cared. Come on, how many know he cared? Come on, put your hands together. Right here. You might be going through some hard time in your life, and you might be feeling down, and you might be feeling weak. Just know that God is right there for you. He cares. God cares. He cares for you. We've been made through for a night. Joy coming in the morning light. God cares. Oh, he cares. He cares. He cares. My sister, mother, my brother, wipe the tears from your eyes. God knows what you going through is temporary. Everything you feel, he felt before. He bear our pain, bear pain. We've been made for a night. Joy coming in the morning light. You might be going through some hard time in your life, and you might be feeling down, and you might be feeling weak. Just know that God is right there for you. He cares. God cares.